Hey everyone, we have the Makita battery and the yellow connector is broken and definitely needs to be replaced. First of all, we'll remove the white plastic from here. Okay, let's open it, and of course we will find some dust here. Okay, after some fight, we have released our TCV from the battery pack, and now we need to remove the old terminal. And we have removed the yellow connector. Now we can mount the new one. Okay, take it the used one. The new one, and of course if you left some soldering in the holes, okay, now the PCB will be blocked. We will unlock it on the seam. Try to press it. Yep, it shows no life. Of course it showed no life before, so I will put it to the charger and I hope that it will work. If not, I have the soft for the unlocking the batteries. But yeah, of course no life. Okay, now I will put the charger to have replaced the yellow terminal for you. You can do it yourself. For now, thank you for watching and bye.